Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by Total Control Traders. I wanted to make a quick video to thank each and every one of you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Considering that absolutely no marketing has been done for this channel, I am thrilled with how fast we're growing. Since the start of this channel on January 4th, it has taken just over 1 month for us to reach the milestone of 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for all of your support. Yes, 100. That first milestone. You know, YouTube says 100 is relatively easy, and then from there it gets hard to get to 1,000. But, you know, considering that we haven't done any marketing, I'm sure we'll get there in no time. The main purpose of this channel has never been to promote lifestyles. As you have seen through the videos, I don't flaunt how much I make from trading or what I've bought. Well, every now and then I'll do a little celebration, but you know, it's not the purpose of this channel. I make sure that, you know, we don't promote lifestyle, because there is plenty of those out there already. You see those in your YouTube ad pop-ups showing you, like, you know, just how great trading can be, or whatever you're missing out on. You know, you're never gonna see that through this channel, because instead, when I created this channel, I wanted to focus on bringing you the right information, what helps you, getting you to your goals, leading you to your success. Whether if that's technical analysis on charts, trading psychology, or financial planning. I would rather see this channel grow organically than to have billions of subscribers that don't find the information useful and don't watch the videos. So thank you guys for consistently coming back to watch the videos. Quality always outweighs quantity, and that's always the way I've seen things. As mentioned before on Thursday's market recap video, there's a surprise for you for the moment that we hit 100 subscribers. I'm very excited to announce that we will be offering 20% off for our next 20 members. So make sure you enter YT100 upon checkout so that you can receive 20% off on your subscription. Again, that is limited quantity for the first 20 members only. We have been successfully maintaining our trial to membership conversion rates at 100%. And that makes me so happy, because that shows the value that this community has to provide, this trading community at totalcontroltraders.com. So thank you for all those of you that has been supporting this channel, as well as giving our community a try. There are still some 7-day free trial available, so make sure to grab them before they run out. I hope you guys don't take this video the wrong way. This is not meant to be an advertisement. It makes me nothing but happier to see the success through the members of our community. I look forward to having you in our community. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for your support. 100 subscribers. Thanks, guys. If you're looking to get out of debt or build that first pot of gold, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button in order to get updates on our new videos daily. Also, check out our website at totalcontroltraders.com. I hope you guys stay safe and be in control. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.